Let's close out this module with a recap of the key takeaways. You first learned why validation is such an important part of the product management lifecycle. This is the process of gathering evidence and verifying whether an idea for a product or a feature meets the desired objectives and fulfills users' needs. During this phase, you'll ask questions like, what outcomes are resonating most with customers? How can we best solve for our customers' pains? What don't we know about our customers' workflows that may help in building the solution? How do we curate a diverse set of customers for interviews? And what pain is so deep that our customers would pay for a solution? We also went over 3 reasons why validation is crucial to effective product development. Validation helps you prioritize which solutions to build, invest resources in the right areas of the product, and better manage stakeholders. Next, you learned ways to validate product ideas, including with product usage data, in-app surveys and polls, market research and surveys, willingness to pay surveys, and requests in a feedback management platform. Finally, we covered experimentation and testing, including both evaluative testing and live experimentation. You also learned 3 key best practices, which are: choose the right type of experiment, target the right users, and use data to evaluate success. Now, let's recap on some action items you can take to put these learnings into practice. If you haven't historically validated product ideas after going through discovery, there's no time like the present to start. Use the exercise in this module to determine which methods you can leverage, and be sure to bake in some time for validation for the next problem you work to solve. If you already have a validation workflow, consider how you might supplement it with additional data sources. Are you using product data? Are you able to test solutions live in the product? Now that you've finished this module, you should be able to explain why validation is key to product development, leverage data to validate potential solutions, and describe methods for testing product ideas.